If you are still using AI generated logos for your business that actually look unreal, unprofessional, and looks a little bit funny because you did not even generate it well in the first place, this video is for you. I'm going to be teaching you how you can get professional logos for your business. In fact, I'm going to be coming into each and every one of us, our business pages, whether it's pre-order, it's wholesale group, it's whatever group. I'm going to be coming inside one by one to check your logos. If you are having those funny AI generated logos, you will be suspended, because this step that I'm going to show you is a very simple and easy way to get professional logos for your business. You should be done within 5 minutes. If you are able to do this within 5 minutes, just leave it in the comment section. But if today is your first time of coming across this channel, I am Dorkie, and over here we teach each other as mini importers tips and tricks on how to make a mini importation a very successful one. Let's get started. Okay, so the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to come to our search bar. Okay, so this is not an app, it is actually a website. Very simple and easy to use, and you should be done within 5 minutes. So we are going to type in here design.com. Okay, so this is how the logo looks like, so please take note of the logo, and we're going to click on search. Here is the interface, right? Once you get onto this particular place, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to click on logos over here. You can actually use this to create a lot of things like business card, websites, and other beautiful things. Okay, but for the purpose of this particular video, we're going to be using it to create a logo for our business. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and click on this particular logo over here. All right, so once you click on this logo over here, you can see that this is the interface that we have, and they have written creative solutions over here. Now you are going to tap on this creative solutions, and you are actually going to type in your business name. If you don't have a business name, I don't know what to say, but you can still go ahead. Along the line, I'll show you how you can get a business name with this same app. They will give you a business name plus a logo. But if you have a business name, all you have to do is to type your business name over here. Okay, please don't look down on your small business. Get a name for your business. Okay, it is very important, and make sure you put things in place like you really have a real growing business going on, right? So now we have Simply Dorkie over here. That is the business. Okay, that is our business name for today. Okay, so we are going to click on start now. All right, so immediately we clicked on it, you can see that they have given us beautiful designs. Just look at this. Okay, so this one too, you can use it for your brand. So let's say that it's not really a physical business, like a business that you sell something, but it is maybe a service. Okay, it's a service that you offer. You can actually use, or it's even a personal brand. You can actually get beautiful logos for your personal brand also. So just look at some of the designs. Okay, and just the Simply Dorkie business, we have about 300 designs. So definitely you'll get something here that is going to actually be catchy to you. Okay, so this is very beautiful. See, about 300 designs for you to choose from, but to save time, we are just going to look through this. Okay, and that is it. Okay, but if you get time, you can actually go through the other ones. You get other beautiful designs to actually select from. Okay, now the next thing we are going to do is this particular branding graphic design over here. We are going to tap on it, then we are going to clean whatever thing that they have actually written over here. Okay, now this keyword or this search by keyword here is they want you to be more specific. Okay, that is if it is not a personal brand logo you are looking for, but you want to be more specific on the business that you are doing. So for today's business, what are we taking? Let's take bags and clothing, or let's just say we are into logistics. Okay, so for today, Simply Dorkie business is into logistics. So I'm just going to type here logistics. Okay, hey, I actually wanted to ask how you guys spell logistics these days. So let's click on search. Okay, so can you see that? And the logos too that they give you, as I said, they are very professional. So they'll bring out something that will represent whatever thing that you are into. Okay, look at these beautiful pieces. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. These are very beautiful. And this one too, they have given me like 300 designs that I can actually go through and actually get something for myself. Look at this. These are very beautiful. Okay, so let's say that we are into dresses. Okay, so let's say that we are into dresses. Can you see that? Can you see that? These are beautiful, professionally looking designs. So let's do one for men wear, or yeah, something like that, men wear. Okay, so can you see that? Let's say that you are also into men's garments. You can also get beautiful pieces, whether you are into the sale of shoes, you are rendering a service, whatever. You can actually be able to get beautiful designs for yourself. Okay, so now let's go into bags. Okay, so can you see that these are beautiful pieces? These are very beautiful logos. Okay, so this one too, they'll also give you about 300. Okay, so it means that you always get a choice somewhere. So for the purpose of this video, let's just choose this particular one over here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this particular one, and as you can see, they will give you different shades and colors of your logo. How is my logo going to look like if the color was black? How is it going to look like if my color was red? How is it going to look like if my color was blue? How is it going to look like if my color was mauve? If my color was brown? If my color was green? Like, they'll give you different shades, and that's one beautiful thing I love about this particular website. So once you are over here, they have given you 3 simple steps. Okay, so this is actually the first step. So let's say that you have gotten to this particular step and you feel like, I don't really like this particular color, but I want to change, or I've seen a more attractive color that could fit the brand that I'm building. Okay, you can actually just change it. You can change it to this, you can change it to this, but I actually want to change my mind at this point. Yes, so we want to change our mind for this our bag business. So we want to change it to this. I feel this is more popping in my eyes. I don't know, it's more popping, so I decided to go in for this particular color. It's very beautiful. So I'm going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see that they have ticked over here. That's your first step. So now you are in step 2. Once you are in step 2, this step 2 is for people who don't have business names. You see, so this particular one is like a full deal. They will do every single thing it is about your logo for you. So those of us that at the beginning, you don't really have a business name, you don't know exactly what you want to do, you can just put your name over there. Okay, once you get to this point, it will give you beautiful suggestions for you to choose. Okay, so now let's see. As we are over here, we have projected our business name here, which is Simply Dorkie. So if we want to continue with Simply Dorkie, we can actually use this. If we want to change it, we can change it at this point. It's not like immediately the logo is created, that is it. No, you can actually do some little changes to it. Okay, so now here are the beautiful suggestions. So let's say that you don't have a business name, or you feel like at this point you want to change the business name. This will give you other beautiful suggestions. Okay, so all of these are actually suggestions for our bag business as of today. Okay, so now you can also click on see more AI suggestions. They are going to create and give you other beautiful suggestions for you to choose. Okay, so this one, when you really take your time to go through the steps, at the end of the day, you're going to get something very beautiful. And I actually wish that some of you guys can leave it in the comment section. I don't know whether YouTube, they now have, you know, the email, like, can you send an image comment? I would love to see some of the beautiful pieces that you created. Okay, so now once you are over here, you can actually explore. Those of us who want to explore and create our own things, or we want to do certain edits in our works, we can actually switch to this editor. Okay, once you switch to the editor, can you see that they're giving you text, background, you know, you can do certain changes. So those of us who want to explore, you can actually come over here and actually come and explore. Okay, it is very important. But those of us that we don't want to explore, let's just go back to our work. Okay, so actually it jumped. Okay, so here is where we were. Okay, so once we are over here, we are going to click on continue, and as you can see, we are done with step 2 and we are in step 3. So the step 3 is for us to now edit the slogan for our business. What does your business stand for? Like, those kinds of slogans. If you have one, all you have to do is to actually paste it over here, the slogan here. So you just tap on it, then you can key in your slogan. But we don't have a slogan for this our business. So I don't know, I think we can just use Dorkie vibes. Okay, so let's just use Dorkie vibe. And as you can see, immediately I clicked on Dorkie vibes, you can see that this particular slogan here has immediately been changed to Dorkie vibes. Okay, so once you come over here, if you don't like the ones here, you can actually click over here to see more suggestions. Now let's move to the next step, which is the last step, which is the step 4. Okay, which is actually the last stage, which is us selecting a logo layout. Now you see why I said I love this particular website. See, now they have done the layout in different angles for you to actually choose which one do you like, or which one looks better. How would your logo look like in a different angle? They will give you all of those things for you to now check and see if all of these things actually aligns, how it will look from the left, how it will look from the right, how it will look at the center, how it will look at the, like, different types. Okay, so this is the original one that we chose. This is the original one that we chose. And as you look at this particular one, they have actually drawn the bag backwards and they have projected the Simply Dorkie, and the Dorkie vibes too is drawn back a bit. When you come to this side, they have actually sent the bag to the side, and they have the Simply Dorkie plus the Dorkie vibes. This one too is also the same, but I feel like this one is a bit projected. Then we also have this at this side, and these are the beautiful layout. So let's say that at this particular point you now feel like, the way I saw this my logo, I feel like the bag will be better if it's at this particular side. You just click on it, then you continue. But for the purpose of this our bag business logo, I think we should just continue with the one that we have. Okay, that looks okay for me. Okay, so we just go ahead and click on this, then we're going to click on continue. Now, before this is where the magic actually happens. So those of us that we like skipping videos, you'll see that you always miss important things. Now this is where the magic happens. Once you are over here, okay, once you are over here, you're going to take a screenshot of this page. Very important. Now later on I'll show you why you need to take a screenshot of this particular page. Very important. Now let's click on this download. Okay, this download over here, download. Okay, so once you click on this download, they are now going to ask you to log into like their site, or you should sort of register. So I'm going to click on my Google account. I'll use my Google account to create. I'll choose my email. And can you see that? Can you see that now they have put some watermark on it? They have put some watermark on it. Yes, so some features on this particular place is not free. Okay, but the method I showed you, you can get to create your designs for free. Okay, once you get to that stage, make sure you take a screenshot. Once you take the screenshot, all you have to do is to crop it to the size that you want, and that is it. You can use it normally, just like downloading it from here. But if you go ahead to download it from over here, you are going to be paying, because you look at all of these beautiful things for free. So please, it is not like that free. Okay, so please, once you get to that particular point, make sure you take a screenshot. When you take the screenshot, it will just save you a lot. Okay, so just save you a lot. So anytime at all you want to create a new logo, it's the same process you use. If you use this process that I've shown you, you wouldn't need to make any payments at all. Okay, so here are some of the packages. Okay, but I feel like this is a very beautiful app. If you want to use it to do extra things, most of you guys, when you start to use this app, when you start to use this website, you yourself will realize that like there are a whole lot of things that you can do with this particular website. Okay, so if you want to do it, you can actually go ahead and get their packages. So it's just $5 and also $6. Okay, so please, you can actually go ahead and um select any of their packages. Thank you for watching this video. If you were able to do it successfully and you had a beautiful design, I don't know if you can leave it in the comment section, but if you can leave it in the comment section. If you can, just comment if you were able to actually create something beautiful for yourself, and I'll be really, really glad you did. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.